Okay, we're back. This looks like an EsthetiCone case from Branemark. A lot going on with this case. So now we've got a hex driver, and that little part on top I have to remove. So and then it comes out in segments. So I'm going to go off the camera a little bit here. And let's see if we can get a positive seat. There's the driver seating. Now we're going to back it out. This is number 14. Okay. Suction is on. Here it comes. Now I'll take some more photographs of this, but this is what's coming out of 14. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a fractured implant. Yep, that one's, well, no, it's the top of the implant is fractured. That one's broken. Yeah, that one, wish I had better news for you on that one. That's 14, that's a broken implant abutment. See the fracture there? And the type of titanium. Ouch. That's a multi-unit abutment. It stayed, and it definitely did have a threaded component, but a lot of force applied to that. It is an external hex Branemark implant. And this is the part that then goes to the top of that one. Let's hope that the other implant's okay. But it was evident once I looked at it. It's the top portion. Okay. All right. Well, better to know. That's 14. Okay. Let's look in the mouth and see if there's anything else. I'll use the microsuction now. Yellow tip's fine. Okay. Well, it's the distal one, and maybe that's, if it had to happen to one, that's the distal one. Yeah. Yeah, there's no other component here, so that's fractured. So right now, I'm going to leave it alone. The tissue will grow over it. That's okay, as it's titanium. It might just bury itself. And leave well enough alone. There's no need to put anything down inside. There's really nothing I can do to put anything down inside of it without having to back it back out again. It's impossible to seal it because of the jaggedness to the top of the implant. You probably could have that implant removed from a procedure where they can unscrew the implant and put another one right back in place.
You doing okay?
So that might be a way to go on this one. Let's get the other one out. I'm hoping that there's no problem with this one. Same driver. So the other answer to your question is I really can't put this bridge back in today. I would have liked to, but that other implant, the head of the implant is fractured off completely. So let the tissue just close over. It's going to be fine. It's made of titanium, so it's built for the body. We're just going to go in on this one. Sink the driver, gently return. This is just hand screwing. Okay, so that one's just about out. Let's just see if we got it. Not quite. We have the driver though. for sure. Okay. Okay. Give me a throat pack, please. Throat pack. 2x2 gauze. This one's okay. Two hands, please. Buddy. Okay. Okay. And that one is A-OK. Rinse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the better of the two. Let's clean the threads on this one. Here we go. Because you have a broken prosthetic screw in it, so I can't use the top portion. Top portion's fine. There's nothing fractured, but the implant fixture is on the second one is not good. I'm going to just clean these threads and get them all pristine. No, the yellow's fine. Okay. I'm going to rinse this out. Turn away a little bit. Okay. Okay. There's calculus on there. Just want to get some of that off. Okay. Okay. Microsuction. Okay. Well, we got the one. And by golly, he's in good shape. Now let's get something back in there. I'm going to need Viscostat, please. This has got to go in the baggie and in a cleaner. Okay, I'll let you do this next. So we can get the part back. Open that one up, please. Open it up, please. Yes, clean them both. No, I want them both. Yeah, but don't keep them separate, but put them in there same. Okay. So I'm going to treat with Viscostat so that I can get a little coagulation here around the one implant. Okay. And we're going to keep that lubricated. Okay. I might have to use a laser because he's got excessive bleeding now. Let's see if I can stop it with Viscostat. Yeah. Yeah, gotta go laser. All right. when it rains, it pours. I gotta use a little laser on one of the two. Topical. Okay to give you a little bit of a local? Okay. All right. We'll be right back. I'm gonna numb up and clean up.